Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab Yoga 11. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Now enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to Clean tool, thanks to which you can clean junk files from your tab. You can browse your internal storage and use nearby share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. If you go to menu, you've got access to settings, help and feedback, and after, update trash can. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.